Good morning, everybody. My name is Bashiru from Cambodia Intellectuals Academy, and we are going to continue with our lesson. In our previous lessons, the lesson ended with letter H, and today we want to introduce a new lesson. And as we all know, if we mention the alphabets from letter A to Z, we will know what comes after letter H. And to make it so simple, I think I will introduce this lesson to you. This is letter I, and this is uppercase letter I. Letter I. We also have the lowercase letter I, letter I, letter I. Again, letter I. Everybody, letter I, letter I. We are going to use this one to pronounce some of the pictures that will be displayed here. So in this case, this remains letter I, uppercase. This is letter I, lowercase. But in trying to learn the sounds, we are going to use this one, and this one become E. 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 This is I, uppercase I. This is lowercase I. But we are trying to pronounce some of the pictures that will be displayed here. So we are using this lowercase as something to lead us, and this is E, 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 E. Okay, I have some photo here, and I will just okay, we can see that this is an insect. So in trying to pronounce this word, we are using E, E, E. Insect. Insects. E. Insects. E. Insect. We also have this one. As you can see, this is igloo. 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 So let's go over again. We have E, E, insect, insect. Again, insect. E, E, igloo, igloo. Again, igloo. Thank you. This is ink, 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 ink. Ink, ink, igloo, 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 insect, insect, insect. Okay, let's see whether we can remember these ones. I, uppercase, I, lowercase. We are going to pronounce these pictures here. So we are using the lowercase. The sound is what will help us to get this. So, E, insect, E, igloo, E, ink, ink. So let us do it together. Again, again. This one. Again. Okay, so now we have seen the pictures on the board. So you should always remember that this one is the uppercase I, this is the lowercase I. We are going to, if we are going to pronounce this, we use the sound as E, 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 insect, insect, E, 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 igloo, igloo, E, E, ink, ink, E, ink. Okay, so this is how the letter sound when it comes to using these photos or pictures. E, insect, E, igloo, E, ink. And this is I, uppercase I, lowercase I. To help us to understand the sound of this or pronounce it very well, E, ink, E, igloo, E, ink. We also have this letter, which is, you are going to trace this letter to be able to know what it is. This is the uppercase I, which need to be traced. You have to trace it. Then we have the lowercase I, which is this one. I think this is going to be given to you as an assignment. So you are taking this one home and practice it. Remember to see this one as uppercase I, lowercase I. E, insects, igloo, ink. I think here is where time will permit us. Until we meet again in the next lesson, remember to do your homework and bring it in our next lesson. Remember to also go through this one as you go home. We will have other videos to be uploaded, which will be followed soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, CIA Cambodia Intellectual Academy, Facebook, and other social media platforms. We encourage you to learn as you are at home. We are also preparing towards your coming back. Wish you good luck, good health. Thank you very much.